I look after the Innovation, Information and Analytics branch. We're the transformation branch in AUSTRAC, and a key component of our innovation function is actually looking at events like this, new ways of doing things. Innovation has to be more than just a word for government, and it's got to be more than just ideas. It's got to be outputs. There are a few drivers around that. There are things like the new platforms, so we can't just rely on other people to tell us why blockchain might change the game.
It's no secret that the pace of technology is absolutely accelerating out there. So all you have to do is look around and see what's happening around us with all of the devices, the Internet of Things, analytics, big data, artificial intelligence. In the case of this particular organisation and this problem set, the volumes of data are expanding massively, and they're also fragmenting. So going from very traditional means where there's banks and where there's exchanges to all sorts of things like cryptocurrencies, dark web and the like.
Innovation is critical for potentially over-the-horizon kind of solution. That's what we're seeking today. We'd love one of these teams to come up with that absolutely over-the-horizon solution that makes us go, whoa. So innovation in government has to drive outcomes. It reduces the cost of regulation for industry, hardens the financial system, helps us with this cross-border movement of money, child exploitation, serious financial crime. We've got to get smarter at getting out in front of it. The criminals move fast, they're fleet, and they're continually changing. Shut down one area, they move somewhere else. And it's absolutely imperative that we as government and industry are capable of not just keeping up, but getting out in front of that. So the benefit of this kind of event is that we really bring private sector, fintech, regtech, industry, consulting firms like Accenture together to say jointly, we're all going to be able to solve this problem far more effectively than little AUSTRAC 300 people. Terrorism is an issue for us all. We've got family and friends and children impacted by the change in our world. So solving this and making people feel safe is really, really important.
National security has always been an area where technology and innovation is absolutely critical. As a result, we use innovation to try to gain asymmetric advantages to allow us to be able to preserve Australia's national security. So when it comes to our role in that, we tend to be bringing thought leadership, we tend to be bringing access to the latest, greatest technology and trends from out there in industry and working out how to bring that into the national security domain.